Could you introduce yourself and your company, what you represent here?
Thank you very much, first of all, to invite me. My name is Meylink. My company is BTEC AV Mounts. My role is Sales Director Europe. And again, I'm always happy to be in Poland.
Your company, BTEC, is a very old company. It has about 15 years and it offers professional solutions for AV, right?
Correct. The company was founded in Britain in 1972. We manufacture mounts for AV. So that goes from speaker mounts to projectors to screens. And today, of course, the new development is LED. And of course, we also provide mounts for that.
How was the last year for you here in Poland, for BTEC in Poland?
It was very good. We continue to grow. I have a very good sales manager here for Poland. We target the top integrators in Poland. They want a very high level, high quality level, high service level. That's what they demand, and we try to provide that.
Perhaps there is one fine installation or a product what you introduced last year. Could you tell me about it?
Yes, one of the of course, LED is now the big thing. So in the beginning, the market was looking at LED, and the end user thought, "What a fantastic product! I want this too." Then they got a quotation. And then they got scared, so the numbers were not there. We see this now from 2023, really starting that LED is really also actually being ordered. So the customer is not only sniffing, he's actually going for it. One of us very specific products. We have a series of slide-out mounts. That are designed to make the servicing of the equipment that is behind the display much easier. So you don't have to remove the display anymore. You can simply have a slide-out tray that helps you to access the materials that are behind it, a media player, a click share, so anything you want to build normally behind the screen. That you can.
It is much more complicated.
Yes.
For whom do you offer your mounts?
Well, as I said, same in Poland, but same everywhere. BTEC is typically a brand that is used for the installer that wants the best. High-end installations, complicated installations. For example, again back to LED, if you want a curved solution, if you want something on the ceiling, if you want extra high, extra wide, when it gets complicated, then you ask BTEC.
But it depends of the level of the market, of course. And what do you think about the market here in Poland?
The market is very, very close to the rest of Europe. I can very well remember the first time I came here. It's more than 10 years ago. That was when the European Championship football was close.
2012.
2012. Thank you very much. So I think we came here for the first time in 10 or in 11. Yeah, the market was so-called professional installers. They were still using consumer displays. And when I look at the distance that the market has gone, the development is enormous. Poland is at the level of the rest of Western Europe. Of course, Poland is price-oriented, but that is the same in Ireland, and that is the same in Spain. So the quality of the installations, the demand, the questions, the technical level, for me, there is no difference with the rest of Europe.
Thank you for interviewing.
Thank you very much.